Setting up and cooking with Ooni Fyra is simple, and it won't be long before you're firing out awesome wood-fired pizza anywhere. The first thing you'll see in the box is your essentials guide, plus the manual and safety instructions. Be sure to read these thoroughly and hang on to them for future reference. Carefully remove all of the packaging. Most of the packaging from the box can be recycled. Ooni Fyra is certified for outdoor use only and should be set up with at least a 3 feet or 1 meter clearance around the oven. Our Ooni modular tables are the perfect surface for setting up your pizza oven. You can also use any sturdy surface made from wood, stone, or stainless steel. To set up Ooni Fyra, unfold the legs on the oven body, place the grate into the fuel tray and slide into the back of the oven, then insert the stone baking board. Fully insert the flame keeper into the roof of the oven. Click the 2 chimney parts together, lock into place, and then add the pellet hopper. Finally, place the door on the front and you're ready to go. When firing up, always make sure the chimney cap is removed and that the chimney vent is open, which allows for optimum airflow. Using the chimney cap as a scoop, fill the fuel tray with 2 scoops of Ooni Premium hardwood pellets. Always use 100% hardwood food-grade pellets. Place an Ooni Natural fire starter at the front and light, then slide back inside the oven. Check for a flame through the viewing hole on the oven door, and after 5 minutes or when all the starter pellets are alight, gradually top up the pellets little and often into the pellet hopper until the hopper is filled up to the top. A full pellet hopper will burn beautifully for 15 minutes. Then continue to top up little and often throughout your cook, and the pellets will gravity feed into the fuel tray to keep the fire burning. If the flame from the pellets dies down, top up gradually rather than adding a full load at once, as that will dampen the strength of the flame. Once the oven is fired up, keep the door on at all times unless adding, removing, or rotating your pizza so that the chimney can work its magic in pulling those flames across the oven ceiling, baking the pizza toppings to perfection. You can check on the flames using the viewing hole on the door and use the chimney vent to adjust the airflow while you cook to control the oven's temperature. Closing over the chimney vent will bring the flames down and vice versa. Within 15 minutes of firing up, you're ready to cook perfect pizza. When you're finished cooking, simply leave Ooni Fyra to burn through any remaining pellets. Thanks to those high temperatures, there's no need to clean up. The pellets will simply burn down to a tiny amount of ash. Be sure to wait at least an hour before moving the oven so it's had time to properly cool down. That's all there is to it. Cooking with Ooni Fyra is so intuitive, and you'll love cooking with energy-efficient hardwood pellets that give your pizzas a true wood-fired flavor.